Okay, so we are talking about vertex form today. Vertex form is this middle one in your notes. So what's going to happen is you're going to take all the notes on paper, you'll answer some questions, and then you'll go back to your notes. You're getting graded for doing your notes today on Nearpod, so make sure that you're answering all the questions on there. So we're talking about vertex form. It says f of x equals a, parentheses means times, x minus h squared plus k. And it tells us the vertex form is h comma k. And this is how we can very easily find our vertex if the equation is in vertex form. So for example, it says when given h comma k, vertex h is our hypocrite. And we'll talk about that in a second. But first, let's look at number one. I have f of x equals 5 times x minus 2 squared. Okay. In order to find my vertex, I want to see h comma k. All right, if I look at this equation, h is the last number in the parentheses, and k is added or subtracted outside the parentheses. So h is this 2 right here, but it doesn't give me a k. All right, because it doesn't give me a k, that tells me that k will be 0. So my vertex is 2, comma, 0. My axis of symmetry I can pull from my vertex. Remember, axis of symmetry starts with x equals. And it's whatever the x value is. So here it's x equals 2. Then it asks opens. Does it open up like a cup or down like a frown? So because this 5 is positive, I'm looking at the number outside of the parentheses. Since it is positive, this means it opens up. Okay. Everything you do today, you will also check in Desmos. So now that we've done it all by hand in on our notes, let's check it in Desmos. So if I go to Desmos, I'm going to type in that equation. So I have 5 f of x equals 5 times x minus 2 squared. Okay, there's my equation. The first part is it asks for my vertex. If I put a point at 2, 0, that's what we said our vertex was at 2, 0. Remember, you can also hit enter and type in ordered pairs, 2, 0, and it will put a point there for you. Then we're going to type in our axis of symmetry. We said it was x equals 2. We should have a line going straight down the middle, just like we do here. Okay, and then the last one just says, does it open up? And it does. Remember, we say that this is opening up like a cup.